Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. I've got another video for you. I've got a 2013 Ford Focus, and I'm going to go underneath of it and show you the location of the oil filter and oil plug. First thing I got to do though is get it up in the air because this thing sits so close to the ground. What I'm going to have to do at this point, I'm going to have to put some ramps in front of it and get that front end up off the ground. Now I'm going to go down under here. So if we go down under here, you can see there's not a whole lot of room. Okay, these screws right here takes a T25 Torx bit. This thing here will come right off. There's 3 in the front. Now that that piece is out of the way, you got 3 more. Right here, and one on down on the other side. Now if you come down here to the back, you'll have another one right here. Go on over, you'll have one right here. Another one right back here, so there's 3 in the back. Okay, then there should be one on each side, one on that side over there, and if you come over here, there should be one right there. Now this piece right here should fall right out since I got all the screws out of it. Just pull it forward and just set it down. Right here is the oil drain plug. I'm going to go ahead and get a pan and take that bolt out. Takes 15mm socket. Probably a 9/16 might work as well. It's best to drain the oil after it's warmed up. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.